my God, I'm exhausted after that. Have you heard what's happened? We've reached 1 million subscribers!
Did I just hit you in the face?
What? Adam, what is this? Did you just do that just to cover me in glitter?
You cover the place in glitter most of the days. My turn.
Okay, so glitter dandruff, check that out.
It's on your head as well. Hey, that looks cool. You could go out dressed like that.
Could I?
Yeah. That's like a new look.
Okay.
Oh, I can't believe I'm going to have to hoover this up.
Just look at this desk. What? Just. Oh, Adam!
Hang on, that's actually quite tidy compared to the way you normally have it. You know I'm not lying.
Yeah, he's not. So, 1 million subscribers. That is pretty awesome. We, as a whole, want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's subscribed. It's absolutely unbelievable. This is a massive thing for us. It's a massive deal. When this happened, I went on a little bit of a high. Did a Facebook Live, completely random, with my daughters on. Somebody thought that my daughter said "pee off" or something like that. She said, "Now peace out."
Which is a dodgy accent, though, isn't it?
Yeah. But she said "peace out." If you saw that, that was on Facebook. Yeah. So we want to say a massive, thank you to everybody. And those of you that are regulars on the channel will know that one of the those of you that watch the channel regularly will know that one of the subscribers is actually going to win an iPad Air 2. And it's not an Apple pen, it's an Apple Pad. See, I didn't even know there was such a thing. I'm still down with these. I think I've got an iPad Mini.
ZX Spectrum. Did you used to have a ZX Spectrum? I did.
I don't know. My brother probably did.
Yeah, back in the 80s.
Yeah. Long live the 80s. If you are a subscriber, you should be seeing this video. One thing you need to do, I want you to comment below with hashtag 1 million subs. You can share the video as well, that'd be great. Comment below and we are literally randomly going to scroll through and pick a winner. It's exciting! Exactly a month later, once this video goes live, exactly a month later.
Don't say exactly, because you know that's the most impossible thing for me to manage.
Roughly a month later, when Adam's edited all that and all that shebang, we will do the announcement. We'll do an announcement video, won't we?
Yeah, we might do a live, we might do...
Yeah. We might do a live, we might do an announcement video, and we will tell you who's won, and you could be that lucky winner. That month sort of gives everybody an opportunity to share, to comment, to get the friends to comment. We want as many subscribers to comment on the video. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to our channel. I'll just sweep this up, shall I? It's very pretty. We should do something with this. We should do a celebration nail. What do you think, guys?
That's the most I've ever seen you tidy.
And that's why I have a cleaner. So what we'll do, with all this glitter that Adam has just thrown all over me, we are going to do a nail with it.
Plenty to choose from.
There's plenty to choose from, yeah. I think we're good for glitter. Oh.
I told you to already.
Oh, and look, there we are. Woo, we're done. Right, so what I'll do is I'll encapsulate it in acrylic. And we're completely like eyeballing this. I have no idea what I'm going to do. We're going to encapsulate it. I think we'll add a bit of our own glitter into it as well, like the carnival colours. They're quite cool. I think this one is Carnival in Rio. I think that'll match nice.
It does actually, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It just looks like it's being chopped up a little bit more.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll lay a thin layer of this down first, and then we'll start to add all the glitter that's everywhere.
Take your pick.
Right, okay. Where is all my things? We'll have high-speed liquid. So let's go for this. Right, we want a thin layer because some of the glitter that we're going to put in is quite chunky. But this will be a lovely background, and it really goes with it. It really complements it. So we're going to bring the bead all the way down. It's quite a big nail, so we're going to do 2 beads of this. If you keep it sort of wet to medium, it'll flow down the nail a little bit easier, and it allows you to get it a bit thinner. If you pick up a dry bead, it's quite hard to lay down thinly. And then we want clear acrylic. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time, just so it's wet. I know that the glitter will stick. Oh, just picking up random pieces that take my fancy. Ah.
I think we should send this nail to the winner as well.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Like an added extra prize.
Yeah.
And I'll make this a bit wet here.
And then they've got their own little bit of Kirsty Meakin art.
Yeah. You'll notice, and this is a good thing, when you touch the blue, it only seems to happen with the blue, the monomer starts to take off the colour. And that's because, you know, it's not very good grade glitter. If that even is a word, not very good grade. Basically, the glitters that we have in our range are designed and cosmetic grade. They are for doing nails and anything like that. Anything that's going to touch the skin needs to be cosmetic grade. Obviously, I'm doing this just on a tip, so it doesn't really matter.
Well, that did touch your skin.
Well, what, on my face when you exploded it all over it? It's not going to be sat on my skin like I've not put makeup on and stuck it on though, have I? So I've got a size 12 brush because I want to pick up quite a big bead to encapsulate all of the glitter. Did you ever do Bobbernock when you were little?
What?
You don't know what Bobbernock is?
No. Sounds like Babadook.
No. Bobbernock was when we used to knock on somebody's door and run off.
Oh, knock you on 9 doors.
What's it called at your ways?
Knock you on 9 doors.
Knock you on 9 doors?
Yeah.
Is that because you had to knock on 9 doors?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I was just thinking, what if you had a glitter cannon, knocked on somebody's door, set it off in the face and ran off?
You're such a child.
That would be so funny. Right, what I'm going to do is file this now so it's nice and smooth. I still can't quite get over the fact that we've got 1 million subscribers. I really can't. I think it's absolutely fantabulous. So I'm just going to buff over with my block now, and so it's... There was the Adam's whole arm then. I know you're all thinking, oh my God, she's filed over all that glitter. But listen, I will not be using this glitter for anything else. It will go straight in the bin. Right, so I'm going to just wipe over this now.
It kind of camouflaged against the table.
Yeah, you're like, where's the nail? Hey, where's the nail gone? Oh, I'm excited already. Right, so I'm going to top coat it now with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Oh my God, it's amazing. That is a real celebration nail right there.
Actually, looks really cool.
It does.
That was my idea.
I know. I really like it. Maybe I shouldn't have filed over it now. I'm regretting filing over it. So if you're asking where we got this from, Adam got this glitter cannon because Adam's not just a filmer, editor of the YouTube channel. Adam's also a film producer. Yes, darling, Hollywood has arrived.
I still don't know where we got it from, though.
You don't know where you got it
It
from?
was just in the film that we're releasing.
This latest film?
Yeah.
What's it called? What's it called?
Please Don't Die.
Please Don't Die.
Check it out on YouTube. It's not. It sounds like it's a horror.
Yeah, it's not. It's comedy, isn't it?
It's a comedy about wrestling. So if you know anybody, I'm not guessing most of the people on this channel are not really into professional wrestling. But if you know somebody who is into professional wrestling, I'll put the link in the description.
You can watch it.
Yeah, it actually gets released tonight, but obviously by the time this video goes out, it'll be a week ago.
So what you need to do is find out where you had the glitter cannons from.
Yeah, I do. I need to find
And
out.
we need lots more. So there you are, guys. Whoever wins the iPad is also going to win this nail. I am quite disappointed that we've already agreed that you're going to win this nail because I really like it. I want to take it home.
You can make another one.
But we need more glitter cannons. So there we are. Don't forget, if you want to win the iPad, make sure that you comment below. 1 million subs. And we will announce the video in a month's time. See you in the next video, which will be nail art inspired. Bye-bye!
I'm just happy that it's me that's made the mess. For
Yeah,
once.
are you hoovering this up?
I'll hoover it up as long as you tidy up all your other stuff.